main art gallery of Alliance Francaise de Karachi was the venue where a large number of photography aficionados gathered to witness the chef d'oeuvre of 88 shutterbugs. Each snapper presented 3 photos depicting architecture, nature, and daily life. The exposition was organized by Aaj Ka Random, a photography group on Facebook that promotes talent, creates strong bonds through friendship, and gives back to society through charity work. Snaps on display have been taken by the members of Aaj Ka Random. Proceeds from these sales will be donated to AD Foundation. The amount of Rs 150,000 that was generated through last show here was also given to a charity. Initially, random pictures were posted on a personal account. The concept soon became popular and people started posting their pictures under the caption Aaj Ka Random on their timelines, tagging the initiator Sajid Dadabhoy on those pictures. Eventually, a group by the name Aaj Ka Random was created, enabling people share their best works. Admin rules are that members can only share original creative images, no selfies, food pictures, or off-net images. The page now has 5,000 members all over the world. Sajid Dadabhai and Amir Islam spoke on the occasion. Aaj Ka Random members who participated in the exhibition lauded the Facebook group. A participant noted that it has provided a platform to share the ideas without any pressure of competition. She said, "All you need is a camera and vision." Another contributor who came from Dubai to partake in the show said that due to Aaj Ka Random, she has started looking at life differently and learned how to appreciate small things. Director Alliance Francaise Jean-François Chena was asked to choose a photograph for himself. Talking to News Pakistan TV apropos his selection, he said,
"Because it's a very good composition. You see, there is two girls, but you don't see the face, both, and the composition. You have like here. You don't see all feet. You don't see all feet, and there is 2-3 horizontal space. One space with the head, one space where they work, and one space where they stay. It's very good composition."